We've now built every section of our website: header, hero, about, portfolio, contact, and footer. In this video, we'll do a full review and check how it looks on different screen sizes. First, scroll through your page from top to bottom. Check if all the sections flow naturally and have consistent spacing. Text the navigation menu. Click each link and make sure it goes to the correct section. Next, open your browser's developer tools and switch to responsive view. Test popular screen sizes like 320 pixels for small phones, 768 pixels for tablets, and 1024 pixels for laptops. Make sure the layout adjusts well. Pay attention to text readability on small screens. Eye match scaling properly without distortion, buttons and links being easy to lap. If something feels too tight or too loose, adjust padding or font size with media queries. Lastly, check hover effects and transitions. They should feel smooth and not slow down the page. Once everything works and looks great, congratulations! You've made a modern, responsive website from scratch using HTML and CSS. You're now ready to move on to adding JavaScript and eventually building with React and TypeScript. And if you want to export this file, you must upload to the cloud as Amazon Web Service or Google platform. So goodbye. This video was short because we've ended everything, and I want to say you something, but it's going to be in the next video and I want to remember you some things. So goodbye.